do it again.
There's a lot of colors, I don't know where to go. See a lot of colors, only feeling blue.
Hi, my name is Andrzej.
And I'm Dominika. And this is Arnold. This episode is going to be about how we managed to install the roof fan. This episode is going to be so this is going to be a really short video just to show you the process of installing the fan and how happy we are about the fact that we managed to do it. So enjoy the video. I start again, but we can cut it.
Yeah.
So I hope you're gonna enjoy the video. I want to say something. Oh yeah, okay. So I hope you're gonna enjoy the video.
There are a lot of voices. There's too many voices.
You alright?
Talking back
Okay.
at me. There are a lot of choices
So
waiting to be
Back.
made.
back again, just to say, hope you're gonna enjoy the video. Not video. We're gonna enjoy the video.
Me afraid.
So
that's it.
I hope you're gonna enjoy the video, and we'll see you next time.
Cool.
Bye. Say bye, Arnold. Bye, Arnold.
Just did.
Where do we go from here? Where do we go from here? Where do we go from here? Where do we go from here?
There's a lot of colors, I don't know where to go. See a lot of colors, only feeling blue. There's a lot of colors, lost within a haze. Don't rely on others to get you through the maze. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore,